Hi everyone, welcome to our class. Today we are going to start Navodaya Arithmetic classes. First chapter is number and numeric system. Numbers are different types. Different types of numbers. So first, natural number, whole number, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, complex numbers, imaginary numbers. So these types are another types are also there. Odd numbers, even numbers, prime number, composite number. These are the different types of numbers. So at basic primary level, primary and upper primary level, we should know some number systems. First number system is natural number set. Natural numbers. Natural numbers, all counting numbers starts from 1 are called natural numbers. So examples, natural number set is denoted by n. Natural number set is denoted by n. So it starts from 1, 2, 3 and up to infinity. So this is the set of natural number set. We starts from 1. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. So second, whole numbers. Whole number starts from all natural whole number starts from 0. It just included with it just included 0 with natural numbers. So examples, this set is denoted by W. This whole number set is denoted by W. So this whole number starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to infinity. So just it included only 0 with natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1 and up to infinity. Whole number starts from 0 and infinity. So what is the smallest natural number? That is 1. Why? Because it starts from 1. What is the smallest whole number? It starts from 0. Then it is smallest whole number. Next, third one, integers. Integer set. All positive and negative numbers, including with 0, are called integers. All positive numbers. So this set is denoted by Z. Integer set is Z. It starts from here it is in the middle 0 and right side of 0 all positive numbers 1, 2, 3 and up to infinity, and left side of 0 -1, -2, -3 and continues up to infinity, minus infinity. Here all negative numbers, here all positive numbers, here all negative numbers. So all positive, all negative, including with 0 are called integer numbers. So these next another thing, rational numbers. Rational numbers. The numbers which are in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. Rational numbers which are in the form of p by q are called rational numbers, where p and q are integers. Q is not equal to 0. p, qలు ఇంటీజర్స్ అవుతూ p by q ఫామ్లో ఉండేటువంటి numbers అన్నీ rational numbers. The numbers which are in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. For example, -2 by 3. Here q is not equal to 0 and p is -2. P and q are integers. P and q are integers. The numbers which are in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. For example, minus 2 by 3 or 1 by 5. So this type of numbers, these are in the form of fraction. So it's called natural rational numbers. Next, another number, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. So this is exactly opposite to this rational numbers, which are not in the form of p by q, which cannot be written in the form of p by q, are called irrational numbers. ఏవైతే మనం ఈ ఫామ్లో రాయలేకుండా ఉంటామో అట్లాంటి నెంబర్లన్నింటిని irrational numbers అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఆల్ రూట్ నెంబర్స్, రూట్ రూట్ 2, cube root of 5, etc. This type of numbers are called irrational numbers. Now another, we already learnt in primary, upper primary level, even numbers, odd numbers, composite numbers, prime numbers. Let us learn about those numbers. So first one, odd numbers, even, odd, even numbers. First, even numbers. What are even numbers? Even numbers are natural numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Which are divisible by 2. 2 తో డివైడ్ అయ్యేటువంటి నెంబర్స్, నేచురల్ నెంబర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ అని అంటాం. 2 తో డివిజిబుల్ కావాలి. ద నెంబర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 2 ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, 2, 4, 6, 8 and up to are even numbers. Here the difference between even numbers is 2. So smallest even number is 2. Smallest even number, this 2 is called smallest even number. Smallest even number. And next, another odd numbers. The numbers, the natural numbers which are cannot be divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. ఏవైతే 2 తో డివిజిబుల్ కావో అలాంటి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మనం ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సో ఈ నేచురల్ నెంబర్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 1. సో 1 cannot be divisible by 2. So this is odd number. Next, another odd number, 3. 3 is cannot be divisible by 2. 3 is another odd number, and so on up to 1, 3, 5, 7. Remaining missing numbers are odd numbers, will be odd numbers. 9, 11, 13, 15 and up to so on. So next, another thing, prime numbers. Prime. What are prime numbers? In Telugu, pradhana sankhyalu. In Telugu, here it is even numbers, sari sankhyalu. In Telugu, here it is basi sankhyalu. Here it is pradhana sankhyalu. So prime numbers, the numbers which are having one and itself factors. Every number has a factors. Every number has factors, but one and itself having factors are called prime numbers. The number which are having one and itself having factors are called prime numbers. The number having one and itself factors. The number having one and itself factors, then the number is called prime number. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ కొంచెం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం కష్టంగానే ఉంటుంది. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్కి ఏంటి 1 ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ మీన్స్ అదే నెంబర్, మనం ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే తీసుకుంటామో అదే నెంబర్. దానికి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్కి 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్సే ఉండాలి. ఫస్ట్ది 1 అయి ఉండాలి. 1 అనేది ప్రతి దానికి ఫ్యాక్టర్ అయి వస్తుంది. దాంతోపాటు ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ మనం ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటామో అదే ఫ్యాక్టర్గా వచ్చేటట్టు అయితే ఆ నెంబర్ని మనం ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అంటాం. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్కి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ హ్యాస్ ఓన్లీ 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ one is 1 and another one is itself. So for example 2 is prime number and another prime number is 3, another prime number is 5, 7 and 11. So if you take 2, this has only 2 factors. It has 1 factor and 2 itself factor. And if you take 3, it has 2 factors. One is 1 and another one is itself. So in this way, prime number having only 2 factors, that are 1 and itself. Next another one. So in prime numbers, 2 is called the smallest prime number. So another important point, prime numbers, already we said 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. So prime numbers up to 100 are 25. Prime numbers up to 100 are 25. 100 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ 25 ఉంటాయి. ఈ రకంగా మీరు కనుక్కుంటూ వెళ్తే మీకు 25 ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ వస్తాయి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్? హియర్ 2 ఈజ్ స్మాలెస్ట్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. దిస్ 2 ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఈవెన్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. So in even prime number, in even numbers, 1 and only 1 is prime number is 2. Even numbers are so many. It starts from 2, 4, 6 and so on, but 2 is prime number. Remaining all are composite numbers. Only 2 is prime number. That 2 is here smallest prime number, and this smallest prime number 2 is called even prime number. So remaining all are odd prime numbers. Next another one, composite numbers. Composite numbers. What are composite numbers? A number having more than 2 factors, then the number is called composite number. ఏ నెంబర్కి అయితే 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వస్తాయో ఆ నెంబర్ని కంపోజిట్ నెంబర్ అంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4. If we take 4, this has more than 2 factors. This has 1. 1 is any number has a 1. 1 has a factor for any number. 1 అనేటువంటిది ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్నా దానికి ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ వి నో దట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫ్యాక్టర్. 4 తీసుకుంటే 4కి 4 అనేది ఫ్యాక్టర్ వస్తుంది. 1 అనేది కామన్గా అన్ని నెంబర్లకి ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ అనదర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 2. 2 to the 4. 2 is a factor. So this number has 3 factors. It has more than 2 factors. So it failed the prime number. So it is against to prime number. So it is composite number. A number having more than 2 factors, then it is called composite number. So for example 4 and another 6, 8, 9 and 12. Next 14. So if you observe this, 4 is the smallest composite. If you take 3, that is prime. If you take 2, 2 is also prime. Now another important point, 1 is neither prime. 1 is neither prime not composite, nor composite. 1 ప్రైమ్ కాదు, కంపోజిట్ కాదు. అది దేని కిందికి రాదు, ప్రైమ్ కిందికి రాదు, కంపోజిట్ కిందికి రాదు. సో 2 ఈజ్ ఈవెన్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్, 3 ఈజ్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్, 4 ఈజ్ స్మాలెస్ట్ కంపోజిట్ నెంబర్. సో నెక్స్ట్ 6, 8 and this odd composite. These are even composite, 4, 6, 8 and 9 is odd composite. Okay, next session we shall practice the problems about numbers. Okay, it's enough for today, this session. Thank you.